Hi guys, so this week we're supposed to discuss the importance of workplace and professional communication as we consider the information presented in the week's chapter and compare what the authors argue with our own professional experience. How we've seen written communication succeed and fail in our own professional life. Communicating effectively in the workplace is key to establishing strong relationships, meeting deadlines, getting things done in a work environment. Everyone struggles with communication at some point, which can not only be frustrating, but it leads to misunderstanding among coworkers and colleagues as well. In my RRP, I wrote about attitude memos. I explained how I've never seen an attitude memo that wasn't taken negatively, and I personally feel that if there's a need for a memo regarding this issue, there's a problem that should be recognized and should have been recognized and seen a long time ago. Page 22 in chapter 9 talks about stepping back and reflecting and explains a scenario of an attitude letter. Personally, I feel that managers shouldn't write a memo regarding attitudes. It's something which needs to be dealt with and figured out on a one-on-one and in person to see where the deeper issue lies. That would be a more progressive way to handle the situation and would hopefully not create any animosity, which I feel a memo would by targeting and singling out certain individuals. So it's better to deal with the issue on a personal basis so that they don't feel singled out. The other question I chose was to identify at least two types of written communication common in the field that I am in or hope to enter upon completing my BAS. How does the text mirror and diverge from your experience on these types of memos and how they're used? The field that I will hopefully be in by the end of my BAS is online retail sales, and there are several types of written communication that currently is and will be required in this area. As far as the customer's focus, thank you letters are going to be an important aspect. Sending out thank you letters after a sale will help reassure the customer's loyalty is appreciated, as well as remind them to visit your store again and keep a lookout for any new products and promotions. On the other side of the business, I will need to be communicating through social media and reaching not only customers but suppliers. But the main communication on the business side between suppliers and drop shippers will be through email, which is definitely an area of improvement that I've made it a goal to personally focus on. Page 22 in the text talks about organizations are increasingly reliable on communicating through email, and they will continue to do so, which is why this is going to be a main focus for myself to strive for professional excellence in this area. I overall found this chapter was very informative and will be using the text and tools given to improve my written communication skills, especially in emails. Look forward to seeing all of your guys' responses and hearing your feedback. Thanks, guys.